How to add sound effect on video in BN Video Editor application. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to BN application. First, we need to create a project. Tap the plus button below on the lower right side on your screen and tap the new video and select the video you want to use. For my example, I use one of my video and tap the next button below to insert the video on your project. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add sound effect on this video. To add, tap the music icon on the menu, and now you can see the effect button here. Tap the effect. Here in effect, you can see here the menu. The cartoon, fast switch, funny, machine, ring, vehicle, weather, and many more. So for my example, in weather, after you tap the weather, you can see different weather of sound effect here. So to use this weather sound effect, tap the use button on the right side. So for my example, I use the rain tree. Tap the use button to insert this sound effect on your project. And we have successfully add sound effect on your video. So if you want to change the position of this effect, okay, you can slide to the right or left. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully add sound effect on video in your video editor application on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and see you for my next video.